How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about the Verve AI coding Copilot. Now, to get started, you want to head over to the official website, which is going to be vervecopilot.com. To get started, click Get Started Free, and then you simply want to create and log in your account. You can use different login options like Apple ID, GitHub, Google, or LinkedIn. And basically inside your dashboard, to get started, you want to click on the AI interview copilot because this is where this AI tool shines. Now inside this page, you then have to create your own interview profile. So what basically this means is that you have to create something like your job description, your proposal, and more. Basically, let's just click on the new profile button, click create new profile, and then from here you have to upload your resume, the company's name, the company description, the position that you're applying for, and the job description. Basically, from here the AI will then make sure that all of the response that it will give you is related to the interview profile that you are applying to. So just click on the submit button, and then you will be able to create your own interview profile. So let's get back to the AI interview copilot. Let's select our profile, making sure that the answer that we are going to get is regarding the interview profile that we have entered. In here, let's just click on something like general interview. And then basically you then have to select your time limit and more, but you just want to click on the launch button. It will then launch the application on which the AI will then help you with your job interview on this current page right here. So it's really easy to integrate the application to your interviews. Just click on the share audio button, and from here you then want to click on the application or the tab that is your interview. So I'm going to use this YouTube video as an example. Let's click on share, and then let's click the play button right here. This will then allow the Verve Copilot to listen onto our interview. So if I play out the video, it should look something like this. And then it will automatically answer the questions given to us. So let's go ahead and proceed once more.
Now, here is a lead code style coding problem that the interviewer may share with you.
As you can see, as we have watched the video, it will automatically be inserted onto the transcription on which the Verve AI will then be able to help me. So for the previous questions, the interviewee asked me about on how we can measure the distance between the moon, and then we have our answer right here. So you can just read this out loud into your interviewer or interviewee, and then that should be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.